Hi dear friends, welcome to the channel AKY Biotech. So today here again we are with a new video for you. We'll be discussing in this video as we have discussed in our previous videos also. We'll be covering 50 questions which have been asked in the competitive examinations, in the NET examinations, JRF examinations. So today again we'll be discussing some of the important questions and they will be covering all the units from all the topics. These questions are being put down. And we have discussed near about 375 questions in our previous videos. We have covered near about 375 questions and they are also being repeatedly asked in the examination. So please go through all the videos so that you have a clear-cut idea of all the topics of all the questions. And I would like to say that please subscribe this channel so that you can get the latest updates, latest questions which we are uploading nowadays, and like the video and share the video. In the previous video we have put a question for you which you people were to solve. So today we'll give the answer for this question. Restriction fragment linked patterns depend on which of the following? So we have the four options, that is the restriction enzyme used, the probe employed, the strains used for DNA isolation, and the stringency of hybridization. So you have to pick up the correct option, and the correct option is C part, that is all the four are correct. So RFLP, it depends upon the restriction enzyme used, the probe employed, the strains used for DNA isolation, and the stringency of hybridization. Question number 376. Which one of the following is a sulfur containing secondary metabolite in mustard plant? So the sulfur containing secondary metabolite in case of mustard plant, which is derived from glucose and an amino acid. The correct option, you have the four options and the correct one is this one, that is the A part. Glucosinolates. Disarm Ti plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it does not result in crown gall phenotype since it does not possess. So the disarm Ti plasmid, it does not result in the crown gall phenotype. The reason behind, because it does not have the IPT and IAAH genes. This is the reason behind. Then 78 number. In genetically modified Dhara mustard hybrid -11, male sterility is conferred by, while what restores the fertility? So male sterility is due to which and fertility is due to which? So the right answer to this is, that is Barnase and the Pasteur. So Barnase, it results in this gene, it results in the male sterility, and the Pasteur, it restores the fertility. This one is the correct option. This question, it is very important. You will find in the examination at least a question from this topic. Then 379. In a batch reactor, which one of the following is true regarding specific growth rate? So in a batch reactor, regarding the specific growth rate, the correct option is, it remains constant with time. No. It continuously increases with time. Again, no. It continuously decreases with time. No. So D part is the correct option, that is it reaches a maximum in the exponential phase. This one is the correct option. Number 80. What property is involved in the separation of mixture of analytes using GC, that is the gas chromatography? So it utilizes which property? The correct answer is partitioning. 81. Which organization in India approves and gives regulatory clearance of biologicals? So the regulatory clearance of biologicals, it is given by the CDSCO, that is the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. Next, number 82. In developing a structured model for microbial cell growth, what is needed? We compartmentalize the cell into different components. So compartmentalization of the cell is done into the different components while developing a structured model for the microbial cell growth. Next, number 83. For gene set enrichment analysis, GSEA, differentially expressed genes are grouped into broader functions. So, a typical tool resource used for this purpose, in which the differentially expressed genes, they are grouped into broader functions for gene set enrichment analysis. So the tool used is, that is the gene ontology. Next, glycerol, we know that it is a Newtonian fluid. It's a Newtonian fluid. A catalyst. What is the function of the catalyst? What does it does? That is, it reduces the activation energy of the reaction. 386. Which of the following statements is incorrect with regard to DNA vaccines? So the incorrect statement with regard to DNA vaccines: no risk of infection, proteins produced are likely to be correctly post-translationally modified, it can persist for an extended time period in the cell, introduced DNA stimulates a protective immune response. The correct one is this. Which of the following statements is incorrect with regard to DNA vaccines? That is, introduced DNA stimulates a protective immune response. This statement is incorrect. 387. Antibiotic bleomycin is secreted by this antibiotic. In the examination, many of questions, they are simply being asked the antibiotic which is secreted by which of the species many times. So if you learn them properly, which antibiotic to which species it is related, so quickly you can mark the answer in the examination. So antibiotic bleomycin, it is secreted by the Streptomyces species. Next, 388. Zinc deficiency among children primarily results in the atrophy of thymus. Question number 389. The taxonomic method of identifying an organism to its species is, so this method to its species, identifying an organism to its species is this taxonomic method. This is known as the DNA barcoding. 390. Which one of the following amino acids can be used as a diuretic because of its importance in metabolism of ammonia? So diuretic, the amino acid which can be used as a diuretic. The correct answer is asparagine. 91. A plant that survives a local pathogen infection often develops increased resistance to subsequent attack by a mechanism. This is called as the systemic acquired resistance. (392) Which one of the following experimental methods is not used to determine 3D, three-dimensional structures of biological macromolecules? So, which one is not used? We have to pick up the false statement, that is fluorescence spectroscopy. Rest 3, that is the NMR spectroscopy, X-ray crystallography and Cairo electron microscopy. All three are used to determine the three-dimensional structures of biological macromolecules. 393. Which of the following is not true of protein folds? So, which is not true of protein folds? Proteins assume a limited number of folds. Correct. Proteins with the same fold may perform different functions. So, which one is not true? That is, a stable fold is a prerequisite for the function of all proteins. This is not true with regard to the protein folds. 394. Bacillus thuringiensis strains are active against which of the following? So, this strain, Bacillus thuringiensis, this is active against Diptera, correct, Coleoptera, again correct, and as well as nematodes. So, D part is correct, that is all of the above. 95 number. Nick translation, it utilizes which of the following enzymes? So, Nick translation, it utilizes DNase 1 and the DNA polymerase. So, both A and B, this is the correct option. (396) Denaturation is essential part of which of the following? Denaturation is essential part of southern hybridization, correct, as well as in case of PCR, the denaturation it takes place. So, the correct option is D part, that is both A and B. 397. Which of the following techniques does not use radioactivity? So, which one is, it does not use the radioactivity? The correct is RAPD. Random amplified polymorphic DNA. 98. Dot blot assay detects the presence of which of the following? It detects the presence of polypeptide, no, DNA sequence as well as the mRNA. So, D part is correct, that is both B and C. 99. PCR can be used for obtaining which of the following? PCR can be used for amplification of specific cDNA from a mixture of cDNA, correct option. For site-directed mutagenesis, correct. For RAPD maps. So, PCR can be used for all of the above. D part is the correct option. Next, 400. From among the options given below, RNA polymerase 2, it transcribes which one of the following? RNA polymerase 2, it transcribes microRNA. Protein synthesis in eukaryotic cells, it terminates at the stop codon because the reason behind is it terminates at the stop codon because mRNA synthesis stops at the stop codon. No, the tRNA corresponding to the stop codon cannot bind to an amino acid. No, C part is the correct one. That is, there is no naturally occurring tRNA with an anticodon corresponding to the stop codon. Question number 402. Which one of the following is not important for regulation of the tryptophan operon by attenuation? So which is not important? Presence of two adjacent codons for tryptophan in the leader peptide sequence. This is required. Coupled transcription translation. This one is again required. Concentration of DNA charged with tryptophan. This is also correct. So the not important is the last one. That is the operator sequence of tryptophan operon. Number 403. See friends, I am time and again repeating this thing that please first read the question carefully. Take time to read the question. Just don't rush to the answer, because sometimes you skip the word like this if it is asked not, because here no doubt we have for you people we have mentioned it in block letter. Sometimes you can't if it is in the normal, then you can't you can skip it sometimes, and you will be marking the wrong answer then. So please be clear with your question first and then move to the answer. Question number 403. A plasmid DNA when digested with EcoR1 give a single band of 16 kb. When the same plasmid it is digested with BAMH1, it gives two bands of 6 kb and 4 kb. So from this what can be concluded is that it has a single site of EcoR1, because with EcoR1 it gives a single band of 16 kb and it has 3 sites of BAMH1. This is the reason it resulted in 2 bands of 6 kb and 4 kb. An endonuclease like DNase 1 is used in which of the following techniques? So this endonuclease like DNase 1, it is used in nick translation and DNA footprinting. So C part is correct, that is both A and B. 405. In thermotherapy for virus elimination, the best results are obtained when high temperature treatment is applied to which of the following? So in thermotherapy for virus elimination, best results are obtained when high temperature is applied to whole plants followed by culture of their shoot tips. 406. A polyprotein is a protein that has which of the following features? It has the following features, that is, it has cleaved into 2 or more functional proteins, this polyprotein. 407. Introns which are self-splicing and do not require any cofactor for their splicing are present in the primary transcripts of these types of introns. They are present in the primary transcripts of mitochondrial mRNA. Next, 408 number. The first functional gene was chemically synthesized by which of the following approaches? The first functional gene, it was synthesized by the phosphate diester. Next, number 9. Lectins are proteins that have which of the following features? So lectins, they bind to the glycoproteins, and this is an important feature of the lectins. 410. Which of the following uses restriction enzymes? So restriction enzymes, they are used in case of chromosome jumping, restriction mapping, as well as AFLP, amplified fragment length polymorphism. So D part is correct, that is all of the above. (411) Fibroin is found in which of the following? This is found in case of silk. 12. The recognition sites for restriction enzymes used in gene cloning are which of the following? So the recognition sites, they are the palindromes with rotational symmetry. Again, this is an important question asked many of the times. 413. TI binary vectors have which of the following? The TI binary vectors, they have 2 copies of the Vir region. No. Vir region with the tDNA. Yes, D part is the correct option. That is Vir region and the tDNA in separate plasmids. 14 number. Enzyme inactivation by suicide inhibitors should be, it should be active site directed. This one is the correct option. 15. Protein kinases phosphorylate proteins add hydroxyl groups on amino acid side chains. Which of the following groups of amino acids contain side chain hydroxyl groups? So the correct option is, which of the following amino acids contain side chain hydroxyl groups? The correct option out of this is, that is serine, threonine and the tyrosine. B part is the correct one. Next, 16 number. If the DNA content of a diploid cell in G1 phase of the cell is X, then the content of the same cell at metaphase of meiosis 1 would be. So we have to, then the DNA content, if the DNA content of a diploid cell in G1 is X, then the DNA content at metaphase of meiosis 1, it would be 2x. The alpha helix in a protein is primarily due to, this is due to intramolecular hydrogen bonds. This is the correct option. Next, 418. There are 3 genes A, B and C that are functionally related. There is a point mutation in gene A due to which gene B is not expressed. So point mutation in gene A, it has resulted a non-functional, that is B is not expressed, resulting in a non-functional gene product C. What is the possible relationship between the 3 genes? How these 3 genes are interlinked? So the correct option is A, it is a transcription factor for B, and B is needed for C to be functional. This is how they are interlinked. Number 19. Transition type of gene mutation is caused by. So transition, in case of transition, what happens? A purine is replaced by a purine and a pyrimidine by a pyrimidine. So the correct option is D. AT is replaced by GC. So A with G, this is also purine both, and T with C, that is pyrimidine. 420. Which one of the following is not enriched in eukaryotic promoters located in active chromatin? So the correct option is this one, that is the methylated cytosine. This is not enriched in eukaryotic promoters located in active chromatin. Number 421. In humans, the enzyme have reverse transcriptase activity is, in humans this enzyme is the telomerase. To prepare a DNA probe of high specific activity for detecting a single copy gene in zoo blot experiment, which one of the following procedures would be preferred? So, to prepare a DNA probe which has a high specific activity and we have to detect a single copy gene in a zoo blot experiment. So, the possible procedure we will be following, that is in this one, that is random primer labeling. Next, 423. The function performed in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is biosynthesis of secreted proteins, folding of membrane proteins, addition of end-linked sugars. Correct one is this, that is the detoxification of drugs. 424. The use of guide RNA to bind to DNA and target the double strand break at a specific site is a feature of, it is a feature of genome editing by CRISPR-Cas system. gRNA to bind to a DNA and target the double strand breaks. This is what is called as gene editing by CRISPR-Cas system. Last question. Cell cycle regulatory genes CDC were originally discovered by Paul Nurse in yeast using genetic approach involving temperature sensitive mutant screening. Which of the following used to identify CDC? So how these CDCs, they are identified? By cDNA complementation assay. Friends, I hope that through these videos you are highly benefited and it's of great help for you to prepare for the examinations. I am hoping this thing, and today also we have a question for you. tDNA is transferred into plant cells most likely as which of the following? So this is, we have the four options. Number 1, single stranded circular molecule, double stranded circular molecule, then single stranded linear molecule and the double stranded linear molecule. So here you have the four options. Please pick up the correct option out of these four and give us the answer in the comment box. We'll be discussing this question in our next video, and friends, I am finding that you people are also, because this will make the video interactive, if you people will also comment in the comment box. If you have any of the queries, please do comment in the comment box so that we can solve out your queries. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the latest updates, all the questions which we are uploading, and please like and share the video.